Hello guys, how to install Amazon App Store in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Through Amazon App Store, you can easily install Android app in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. And to install Amazon App Store, first go to your browser and look for install Amazon App Store. Go through the appeared result and here choose the Microsoft page, install mobile apps and Amazon App Store on Windows. Click on it. Here you will find the page and here you will also find the minimum system requirement to install Amazon App Store in Windows 11 and 10. 8 GB minimum RAM is required. The storage type SSD, solid state drive, processor 64-bit ARM64, and virtual machine platform. This setting needs to be enabled. Here is how to enable virtual machine platform. To enable, go to Windows search, type turn Windows feature on or off in search field and click on turn Windows features on or off, and here look for virtual machine platform. Make the check against this option and click on OK button. This will enable Windows virtual machine platform feature in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Once Windows completed the requested changes, you must restart your system. Choose the button restart now and after that scroll down and choose the option get the Amazon App Store. Click on it, open Microsoft Store and let the Windows opening the Microsoft Store page, and in Microsoft Store page Amazon App Store will appear here, but in my device this app will not work. On your device option it will showing, so check the status, what shortcomings of my sites, choose show more, and here you will see OS Windows 11 version 22000 or higher. It should be check. Go to Windows settings and choose under system settings, go to about section, and here you will find your OS version, and you can easily see your OS version is 22621.1702, means it is higher than recommended required OS build. Architecture 64-bit, and here you can see 64-bit operating system also available. Memory 8 GB minimum, 16 GB, however 16 GB memory is recommended, but in my case installed RAM is only 8 GB and 7.3 GB usable, so it may be a cause of this app will not work on my device. And also processor should be Intel i3 8th generation and AMD Ryzen 3000 and above. In my case it is AMD Ryzen 5 5600H, but memory is less than required. If you fulfill the all requirements, click on install and Amazon App Store will install in your system.